Hey everyone, and welcome back to the daily news here at INTERGEO 2024 in Stuttgart. Hard to believe it's already Thursday, day 3 of the most dynamic geoinformation event of the year. And what a day it has been. INTERGEO isn't just a showcase of cutting-edge technology. It's a powerful platform highlighting the immense potential that geospatial data holds for our future. It's all about bringing together politicians, business, scientists and the public to collaborate and tackle the biggest challenges of our time. And you can really feel it here at INTERGEO. The global community is truly one big family. The vibe is fantastic, amazing conversations, super friendly people. Today at the INTERGEO press conference, industry leaders came together to discuss how geodata is paving the way for climate-friendly solutions to some of the society's biggest challenges. The spotlight, amongst others, was on urban digital twins and AI-driven innovations. Among the speakers were Professor Rudolf Steiger, president of DBW, the organizer of INTERGEO, Boris Gopjak from Trimble, Thomas Kirftenbelt from Esri, Thomas Herring, Hexagon, Ralf Mosler, Autodesk, Olaf Fryer from Hinter Expo and Conference. They highlighted how urban digital twins are enabling cities to simulate, analyze and optimize urban infrastructure, making resource management more efficient and reducing environmental impact. Artificial intelligence is also stepping in, helping to crunch vast amounts of data to make smarter decisions and take meaningful actions. So the overall vibe was optimistic. The speakers agreed that INTERGEO continues to be a global magnet, attracting visitors from all over the world, thanks to the rapid strides in digitalization and the exciting opportunities it offers. Right now I'm happy that we will meet the Chief Sales Officer. He is CSO Jürgen Nussbaum. Hi, welcome to INTERGEO TV.
Hello Denise. Yeah, we are really happy that you're here also this year. And I would like to inform you about our latest news. Here we have our lineup of the topo bathymetry LiDAR scanners and LiDAR scanning systems, which had been introduced earlier this year at GeoWeek, for example the VQ840GE and also the very powerful VQ860G system.
So it's for high precision photography and bathymetry?
Yeah, it is for different applications in the world of the bathymetry. So for scanning, of course, shallow water areas at shorelines, inland, rivers. But there are, in the meantime, many other applications where such a Riegel topo hydrographic airborne laser scanning system can be applied to.
Interested in what else Riegel showcased? Then check out their video on YouTube. Search for INTERGEO TV. And as we continue to explore the geospatial trends here at INTERGEO, what do you think? What are the geospatial trends?
I think now more and more solutions for us, take an example, is make our users become more efficient.
I think there's a lot of things moving towards like data science.
Mapping our Earth with the help of satellites, I think that's the future.
Digital twins of cities will be a huge topic.
LiDAR.
We have one vision, and that is immediate access to reliable data.
I think the buzzword is AI.
Very important topic for me is, or for the community, I think, is to have flexible systems.
People need more and more photorealistic models, and then people try to reach the balance between the accuracy with the visualization.
The aerial imagery sector is like a huge one, and it's also developing more and more.
All right, it's day 3 of INTERGEO, so let's make it count. Enjoy every moment. Dive deep and take away everything you can. And most importantly, get ready. Tomorrow, as you head home and the event wraps up, we'll be bringing you a spectacular showcase of the best moments and highlights from INTERGEO. So don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and of course check out INTERGEO TV on YouTube. Goodbye for now and have an amazing third day at INTERGEO.